Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm on a treasure hunt. I'm looking for these amazing shiny coins. Want to come with me? Come on. We found our first one, cuzzies. Check it out. Let's go find some more. Come on. I found another one. Check it out. Let's see how many more we can find. Come on. Is it? No. I found another one. Yay. I see one over there. Let's go. Oh. Whee. Whoa. I can see one on the other side. I found it. Check it out. That's the Buzz, my cuz. Ka kite.
Hi.